Okay, so if we think of ax squared plus bx plus c, if you just think of that's what we need, then obviously this part is ax squared plus bx, so this whole part here is b, and then c is this whole thing here, that's c, ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so we have to think of it like that. Then we can say x equal to negative b, so it's going to be 19 pq is b, okay, because it's negative and a negative gives you a positive 19 pq, plus minus square root of, this is going to be long, b negative 19 pq, okay, squared, okay, b squared minus 4a 6b squared times c 10q squared. Okay, over to a. So this whole thing now still must be over 2a 6b squared. Okay, so you just substitute. We learners sometimes get confused with these ones. Is that with the c? I'm not sure what's going on there, but that is c. 10q squared is c. Okay, so now we're going to simplify this. So we're going to say 19pq plus minus, and then this is going to become big. You can check what's 19 squared. Okay, you can check for us. What is that? 19 squared. You're going to have square root. Okay, b squared q squared. And then, what do you get there? 361. And then here is 24 times 10, so it's 240. And minus 240 b squared q squared, and the whole thing is over 12b squared. Okay, so now, we're going to try to think now here, what is maybe a common factor I can take out, 361 and 240. Now actually we can just subtract them. It's p squared q squared, p squared q squared. So we're going to have 121 p squared q squared. So we're going to have 19 pq plus minus the square root of 121 p squared q squared over 12p squared. Okay, so we just subtract those two because they're similar terms, like terms. So now we get 11pq here, the square root of this. So let's write it here next to it. So we're going to have 19pq plus minus 11pq over 12p squared. Okay, so we get the square root. And now we got our two solutions. So we can say it's 19 plus 11, which is 30. So we're going to say x is equal to 30 pq over 12p squared, or x is equal to 19 minus 11, which is 8 pq over 12p squared. And then the last step is just to simplify this. Cancel the p and the p. 30 divided by 12. Let's see, we can divide both sides by 6. It's 5 over 2. And it's going to be q over p. So we're going to have 5q over 2p. And here, when you simplify, divide by 4, you're going to get 2q over, divide by 4, 3p. So that is our final solution.